Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you some effective steps to age up a sim in Sims 4. Change lifespan settings. Adjust Sims' lifespan to short or long in-game settings to control aging speed. Let life take its course. Allow Sims to age naturally with automatic aging notifications. Pregnancy. Sims stop aging during pregnancy, extending their lifespan. Stressful situations, accidents or arguments can accelerate aging. Birthday cakes. Use cakes to manually age up a sim by adding candles. Business interactions. Click the bassinet to age up babies to infants. Cheats. Use the age up cheat for quick changes. Visit other household. Aging up babies in other household is possible during visits. And finally, switch household. Play a different household while the original one is aging. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.